Hello guys. Now in this video we are going to continue our discussion on listening comprehension test, the TOEFL test, skill to choose answers with synonyms. Jadi kita itu dalam mengerjakan soal listening comprehension khususnya part A, yang kedua skill yang harus kita miliki adalah pilihlah jawaban yang merupakan sinonim dari apa yang ada di recording. Contohnya begini. Why is Barbara feeling so happy? She just started working in a real estate agency. What does the man say about Barbara? Oke. Jawaban yang tepat adalah yang mana? B. Or B. She began a new job. She just started working. Started working kan sama dengan begin new job. Nah, kurang lebih seperti itu. Oke. Nah, strateginya bagaimana? Yang pertama, as you listen to the second line, tetap ya. Yang pertama, jawaban pasti fokus di second line. As you listen to the second line of the conversation, focus on keywords in that line. If you see any synonyms for keywords in a particular answer, then you have probably found the correct answer. Contohnya sudah di atas, kita sekarang langsung ke contoh pembahasan soal.
TOEFL Exercise 2. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should look for synonyms for key words in the second line. Number 1.
What did you think of the final exam in algebra?
It was too easy.
What does the man mean?
It was too easy. Oke, apa sinonim dari it was too easy? Oke, jawabannya adalah it was too easy. Oke, jawabannya adalah yang delta. The exam was not very difficult. Sangatlah tidak susah. Oke, kenapa bukan yang C? He thought the exam would be easier. Kalau jawabannya yang C, itu artinya examnya itu sangat susah. Dia berpikir ujiannya akan lebih mudah kemarin, ternyata tidak. Kalau yang B, there were 2 exams rather than 1. Itu nggak nyambung. Yang alpha, the final exam was harder than the others. Itu juga tidak nyambung. Kemudian yang nomor 2. Kita lanjutkan.
Number 2.
How are you feeling today?
I'm really feeling rather sick.
How is the man feeling?
I'm really feeling rather sick. Dia itu benar-benar merasa sakit. Aku lagi nggak enak badan nih. Yang mana? Alpha, he is not feeling very well. Oke. Aku tidak baik-baik saja. Berarti ini sinonim dari saya tidak enak badan. Oke, kita keep dulu. Tapi sebetulnya ketika kalian mendapatkan jawaban kalau di tes TOEFL gitu ya, mendapatkan jawaban yang A sudah, langsung jawab, kalian konsentrasi ke soal berikutnya. Nah, tapi di sini akan kita analisis satu persatu. He is rather sick of working. Ini salah. Rather sick of working itu artinya kangen bekerja ya. He's feeling better today than yesterday. Ini kebalikannya, he really rather not answer the questions. Itu juga tidak benar. Oke, untuk nomor 3 sampai dengan nomor 10, coba kalian kerjakan buat latihan dan strateginya adalah pilihlah sinonim.
Number 3.
Has your family been in business for quite some time?
No, the family business was just established last year.
What does the woman say about the family business? Number 4.
Did you have to wait at the airport for a long time?
No, the plane landed right on schedule.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
Do you want to join me in the pool?
Oh, I'll just run and put my suit on.
What does the woman imply? Number 6.
Last night's fire burned the entire hillside.
At least the homes were saved.
What does the woman mean? Number 7.
Should I add more salt and pepper to the soup?
No, I think there's enough.
What does the woman mean? Number 8.
How are you able to pay your college fees?
I was fortunate to get a scholarship.
What does the man mean? Number 9.
How successful was the corporation last year?
It made quite a big profit.
What does the woman say about the corporation? Number 10.
Chuck is on his way to the bank now, isn't he?
Yes, he is. He thinks his bank account is overdrawn.
What does the man mean?
Baiklah. Mudah-mudahan Anda bisa berlatih dengan menggunakan skill yang sudah kita bahas di awal. Nah, di video kali ini kita akan membahas 2 skill setidaknya ya. Kita akan melanjutkan strategi atau skill yang ketiga. Nah, the third skill you have to apply during listening comprehension test of the TOEFL test is avoid similar sounds. Oke, jadi kalian harus menghindari suara yang mirip. Justru kalau misalnya ada suara yang mirip, maksudnya mirip dengan mana? Mirip dengan apa yang ada di dialog, khususnya pada second speaker atau second line. Nah, apa yang mirip di pilihan jawaban itu biasanya jebakan dan pasti salah. Contohnya, why couldn't Mark come with us? He was searching for a new apartment. Oke. Jawaban yang tepat yang mana? Jawaban yang tepat adalah yang B. He was looking for a place to live. Nah, coba kita lihat mana sih suara yang mirip. Nah, kita analisis. Yang A ada department, apartment. Agak mirip-mirip nih. Kemudian, he was working on his research project. Ada ing. Di sini juga ada searching, working. He had an appointment. Appointment dan apartment. Itu juga mirip-mirip. Nah, sementara yang B itu berbeda sama sekali. Nah, itulah kalian kenapa harus memilih jawaban yang paling tidak mirip dengan apa yang ada di recording. Oke. Nah, bagaimana strategi untuk mengaplikasikan avoid similar sounds? Yang pertama, identify keywords in the second line of the conversation. Kamu harus mengidentifikasi nih kata kunci di second line apa itu. Oh, ini tentang ini misalnya. And then, identify words in the answers that contain similar sound and do not choose these answers. Kemudian, identifikasilah pilihan jawaban di answer sheet gitu ya. Yang mirip-mirip. Nah, itu hindari. jangan dijawab. Oke, kita akan latihan langsung dengan listening-nya. Bagaimana kita harus mengaplikasikannya? Oke.
TOEFL Exercise 3. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be careful to avoid answers with similar sounds. Number 1.
How long until you'll be ready to leave?
First, I need to water the grass.
What does the woman mean?
Oke. Yang mana nih? She has to wait for some cash. The waiter is bringing a glass of water. The lawn is too dry. She need to watch out for crash. Sekarang saya kasih strategi. Anggap saja kita itu sama sekali ngeblank, nggak tahu artinya. Tapi kita masih ingat dong suara apa yang muncul di second line of the conversation. Ada crash, gitu ya. Nah, dia itu akan menyirami tanaman, intinya begitu. Jawaban yang tepat kalau misalnya kita anggap saja kita tidak tahu itu ya, hanya paham suaranya saja. Let's say you are just beginner in English, gitu ya. Yang A, she has to wait for some cash. Ini ada agak-agak suara yang mirip, cash, crash. Kemudian yang ke B, pasti salah. The waiter is bringing a glass of water. Juga ada watering tadi ya. Itu salah. Yang D, she needs to watch out for crash. Itu juga ada suara yang mirip. Suara yang mirip kalau di listening part A itu pasti salah. Therefore, you have to choose C. The lawn is too dry.
Number 2.
Do you think I should buy this sweater?
But it doesn't really seem to fit right.
What does the woman mean?
But it doesn't seem sweet. Yang mana nih? The sweater's the wrong size. The man's feet aren't sweating. The sweater makes the man seem fat. The sweet girl doesn't feel right. Yang mana? Jelas, jawabannya yang alpha. The sweater's wrong size. Oke. Satu lagi deh, nomor 3 ya.
Number 3.
Is Walter's job near here?
Walter's been commuting to Boston on a regular basis.
What does the man say about Walter?
Yang mana yang tepat? Yang jawaban yang tepat adalah Delta. He has been traveling back and forth to Boston. Oke. Untuk selanjutnya 4 sampai dengan 10 silahkan buat kalian latihan ya. Oke, gunakan strategi yang sudah dibahas baik di video ini maupun di video sebelumnya.
Number 4.
Did Bob memorize every detail in the chapter?
He wasn't able to master the lesson.
What does the man say about Bob? Number 5.
It's so sad what happened to the animals.
Yes, it is. Whenever there's a forest fire, many animals die.
What does the woman mean? Number 6.
Do you want to take a look in the store?
You bet. The shoes are on sale for $20 a pair.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Why didn't Tom come with us this afternoon?
He was attending a required biology lab.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
Why are you waiting here by the front door?
The mail should arrive at noon, and I'm expecting something important.
Why is the man waiting? Number 9.
You think it'll rain today?
I heard on the news that a bad storm is heading in.
What does the man mean?
Oke. Cukup sampai nomor 9 saja karena ternyata saya salah ngeklik barusan. Semoga bermanfaat dan kalian bisa mendapatkan skill ya dan mendapatkan skor yang bagus ketika kalian mengerjakan soal-soal TOEFL. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.